this time I'm off to Loving. I made a special arrangement to train somebody in Loving because she's a very nice person. I'm quite selective of the women I train, I promise. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? I get an entry ticket. Hello. Thank you. Oh, the girl was like sleeping. She was taking a cat nap. I guess there's not so much action at this time of the day. See, so if you want to get into like a race position, all you have to do is crouch forward, make use of the cowl, make use of this tank that you can like lean on here. What's this guy doing? There you go. See, I'm telling you, it handles well. As a city bike, that handles well. Thank you. See? On the highway, pretty much you just have to push it a bit. It likes to be pushed. It likes to be ridden hard. That's what I'm learning with a lot of these sport bikes. They like to be ridden hard. Give it to me, baby! Aha! Aha! Oh, by the way, I'm off to Enchanted Kingdom with my nephew and niece. That's what I've been busy with, really, is hanging out with my nephew and niece and making sure that their summer is epic. Okay, we are leaving Enchanted Kingdom. So I have to go from Enchanted Kingdom and then get home, get dressed, and then after getting dressed I am off to after getting dressed, what am I gonna do? Oh, I have a gig today. It's Fête de la Musique 2018. Flying Ipus Band will be playing at the indie stage. Whew. You know what slows this place down? There's like a rocky patch of road. It's just super traffic here. Look at how agile this bike is. For a sport bike. It's just going to Walter Mart. Yo, king of potholes! That's huge. What's huge? That's huge. If I want to get home in an hour, I probably have to take the Skyway. Wait to Manila, it says turn left. Okay, turning left. So far, from 1 kilometer, 329 kilometers. I've only done one full tank. Not bad. It's nice. It's fun. You're just gonna get on the highway for a short amount of time. It's a fun, sport bikes are pretty fun. Ooh, the road is wet. Looks like it just rained here. Andoks dokito my heart. What does that mean? I'm sorry, what does that ad mean? What does dokito my heart mean? Oh, the key to my heart. Ha 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 ha. That wasn't super obvious. I'm docs. Oh, looks like it's another wet ride. Ooh, up front, it's looking hazy. So that's not a good sign. No. I am not waterproof, but I have recently gotten a waterproof phone. Haha. Don't have to worry about my cell phone anymore. Shit, why is it slowing down here? I really need to take a bath after this ride. I'm muddy. Although it's nicer, like now it's so cool. I know there's danger that the road is slippery when wet. Duh. The road isn't the only thing slippery when wet. A lot of other things are slippery when wet. Seriously, if it was sunny, this would be torture. Okay, because it's like this, I am definitely getting on the skyway. You heard me now. Skyway, skyway, skyway. Whoa. Is that a giraffe Ford? See, what did I tell you? Lane splitting? Loosely lane splitting is not so bad either. Even the tight lane splitting is very workable. So many wet days with this Honda. Well, maybe because it's rainy season. Duh. Shit, that's legit rain up front. Yep, that is legit rain up front. That's okay, I just came from these wet rides in Enchanted Kingdom. I'm already wet, whatever. This is what happens in the Philippines. Instant traffic, just add water, boom. Traffic. We're like powdered orange juice. Just add water. Whoa, did you see that lightning? Freaking me out! Whoa, that's not a Ducati. You hear that? That's legit Mighty Thor shit. Whoa! Ah! Being splashed on from the other side. Let's not stay there. That water is rancid shit. There! Says the one who likes riding in the rain! Here we go! Hot damn. What's going on here? Uh-oh, why is there a siren? Looks like something's happened here. Oh, there's another rider in the highway. It's standstill for cars. I'm glad it's not yet manic like zombie apocalypse mode that they're merging into each other's lanes. I'm afraid that's gonna happen up front. This is where you're passing light. You know, hopefully they see it. And their mirrors blinking. And hopefully they're kind enough to see that I'm drenched as fuck. Thanks, Hi Ace. You're too kind. Woo! Flooding! It's flooding in the bridge! Ah! You know what's more disgusting? If the water comes up from the tires. My shoes. I'm not wearing my waterproof boots today. So those are drenched. I'm like in Nike track shoes. They're not even track shoes. These are like, you know, those gym lang shoes. Fuck, that's not a Ducati Rumble. Alabang to Sukat. Heavy traffic. Huh. Okay, my GoPro is going inside a vat of silica gel after this, or rice, or whatever you like, or maybe a mixture, silica gel and rice. Woo, there's blood up ahead. Ah! Yeah, that's like mini flood. That's not legit flood. Are you serious? It's traffic there too? Okay, I'm not taking that anymore. Well, because you have to pay more, and then here I have shade. So if it's traffic there too, might as well stay here. See? Because then, boom! Let the rain stop. Pick a fucking lane! Left, right, left, right. Isa pa to. Every time I put my feet down, like water comes out from the soles or the foam or something. It's so funny. Ayan! And now, okay, we're drying up. Air dry. I like to air dry instead of towel dry. Woo! Potholes! On the South Superhighway, right after Sukat, right before Sukat. It's so cool. This is the only thing when you get wet and then you go fast, then it's like air conditioning. This is what air conditioning feels like on a motorcycle. Whoa! Look like it rained here. Well, what the hell? It rained everywhere. Ew, water from the truck tires. Tangina. That's what my speed demons sound like. Ooh. It don't look good up ahead. Oh, that don't look good. Be ready for it, Gaki girl! Yeah! I just dried up! Ouch! Those raindrops! Feels like I'm getting a tattoo. That's because I'm wearing a mesh jacket. Wait, I feel the water in my feet. Woo! Freedom! Las Vegas! Whoa! Whoa, 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 slow down. Slow down. I felt my tires just like stop. Slow down drastically. Okay, where am I come from? Santa Rosa, 175. Okay. Woo! Ah! Wrong move! Don't look up! Look at that! Whoop. Boom, 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 boom! Hello? Hi? Sorry, South Superhighway. This is why you guys should change to an actual card. Thank you. Are you ready? Here we go again.